Now we've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another video. So I'm about to deep clean this refrigerator. Since we moved into the new place, I really haven't given my refrigerator a deep clean, so that's what I'm about to do right now. I recently bought some groceries and I just got stuff thrown in here any type of way, so I'm about to take everything out, wipe everything down, and get everything back nice and neat. So that's what I'm going to be doing the majority of this video. I am going to be doing some more cleaning throughout the kitchen, but it's mainly going to be my refrigerator. But yeah, that's pretty much that. Before I get too deep into this video, I would like to say hello to any new subscribers that I may have. I noticed that I have gained a few more subscribers. I thank y'all for stopping by and supporting me. I really appreciate the love and support. And I also want to thank my old subscribers as well for sticking around and supporting me. So, but yeah, that's pretty much what I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and get right into this video, and I hope y'all enjoy it.
Don't say we're drifting apart. I can't stand to see you with another. Oh, I know I once broke your heart, but I still love you like I do. Love you like I do. Oh, it breaks your heart. No text, no call.
So I'm about to spray down the refrigerator with this Clorox cleaner plus bleach, and I'm gonna let it sit, for a while I clean the rest of the kitchen.
With you, so run away with me. Come home with me tonight. Run away with me. It'd be worth the time. Run away with me. I'll make.
So I know y'all have seen the sticker shock on these eggs. Like, these egg prices are ridiculous. So, but I did manage to get these for $1.99. Kroger had them for $1.99 with the digital, coupon, and you can use up to 5 times. So I got 3 of the 18. Count, because I was trying to stock up while I could, because I'm not trying to pay all this money for these eggs. So that's what I got, and I'm just placing them in my little clear container. I ordered these containers from Amazon. So but yeah, y'all, these egg prices are ridiculous. So this should last us for a little while, because we don't just go through a lot of eggs like that. But I just wanted to have enough on hand.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes. Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how. Breathe. times, but you're making me nervous. No, I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your hand. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
Okay, so for the top of the freezer, I'm not going to be taking everything out because I have less stuff, you know, at the top, and then it's not as dirty as the bottom. So I'm just going to give it a quick, you know, wipe and just basically organize everything back.
And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, peak, baby, peak. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain.
Okay, y'all, so that's all I have for this video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you like, comment. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll be chatting with you in the next one.